अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज से हम आपके सिलेबस का नेक्स्ट चैप्टर ले रहे हैं। इसका नाम है एनवायरमेंटल हेल्थ। तो जहाँ तक एनवायरमेंटल हेल्थ का ताल्लुक है, इट इज़ द साइंस एंड प्रैक्टिस ऑफ प्रिवेंटिंग ह्यूमन इंजरी एंड इलनेस एंड प्रमोटिंग वेल बीइंग बाय identifying and evaluating environmental sources and hazardous agents, limiting exposure to hazardous physical, chemical, and biological agents in air, water, soil, food, and other environmental media, or settings that may adversely affect human health। यानी जहाँ तक इन्वायरमेंटल हेल्थ का ताल्लुक है, ये वो साइंस है, ये वो ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस है, ये वो प्रैक्टिस है जहाँ पे हम डील करते हैं विद द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ प्रिवेंटिंग ह्यूमन इंजरीज एंड इलनेस। तो जहाँ पे हम डील करते हैं विद द स्टडी or with the practice how we can prevent the human diseases, how we can prevent the human injuries, as well as promote the well-being, as well as promote the health of humans, as well as promote the human health by means of different factors। नंबर फर्स्ट, एक इसमें हम लेते हैं, हम क्या करते हैं कि we identify and evaluate the environmental sources and hazardous agents। यानी इन्वायरमेंटल हेल्थ में हम डील करते हैं उन फैक्टर्स के आइडेंटिफिकेशन के साथ या उन फैक्टर्स के एवाल्वेशन के साथ विच आर डिफरेंट एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स, विच आर डिफरेंट हैज़ार्ड्स एजेंट्स डेट अफेक्ट द ह्यूमन हेल्थ। और दूसरा ये हम इसमें ये देखते हैं कि वी आर डीलिंग विद द लिमिटिंग एक्सपोजर टू हैज़ार्ड्स फिजिकल, केमिकल एंड बायोलॉजिकल एजेंट्स। यानी हम environmental health में डील करते हैं कि how we can prevent the human injuries, how we can prevent the human illnesses and promote the well-being of humans by limiting their exposure, by limiting the exposure of humans to hazardous physical agents in the air, water, soil, etc., as well as chemical and biological agents in air, water, and soil, and other environmental media or settings which are affecting the human health। तो जो environmental health है, it has been defined by World Health Organization as aspects of human health and disease that are determined by environmental factors। यानी environmental health जो है it has been divided by World Health or defined by World Health Organization as it deals with those aspects of human health and disease, it deals with those factors, or we can say those dimensions of human health and disease that are determined by environmental factors or that are influenced by the environmental factors। तो environmental health also refers to the assessment and control of environmental factors that can potentially affect human health। तो environmental health में या environmental health में हम deal करते हैं with assessment as well as the control of those environmental factors, those environmental agents, and we can say different environmental agents, factors which are having potential, which are having, we can say, which can affect the human health, which can have, we can say, different different aspects of environmental factors which have different we can say influences on the human health। तो इस तरह से हम ह्यूमन environmental health में environmental health focuses on the direct pathological effects of chemical, radiations, and certain biological agents in dwellings, urban, agricultural, or natural environments, as well as their indirect effects on well-being। यानी environmental health में हम इसके अलावा डील करते हैं, फोकस करते हैं on different disease causing effects, on different direct pathological effects or disease causing effects of chemical radiations, as well as biological agents which are present in the human dwellings, which are present in the habitats, which are present in the urban areas, agricultural areas, as well as natural environments। So as well as we are here dealing with indirect effects on or their indirect effects on well-being और human health। यानी जो environmental health है, यहाँ पे हम एक तो देखते हैं कि what are the direct effects of direct we can say pathological or direct disease causing effects of chemical radiations and other biological agents on our living, on our urban agricultural environment and natural environments, as well as यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि what are their indirect effects on our health, on our well-being. तो ये जो environmental health है, it connects the social and cultural environments as well as genetic components. यानी जो environmental health है, it connects different we can say environments, different components of the environment as social component with and cultural as well as the genetic components of the environment. तो यहाँ पे हम जान गए what is environmental health. तो environmental health में हम जान गए कि ये वो साइंस है, ये वो ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस है जहाँ पे हम डील करते हैं विद द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ प्रिवेंटिंग ह्यूमन इंजरीज एज वेल एज ह्यूमन डिजीजेज एंड इलनेसेस एज वेल एज प्रमोटिंग द वेल बीइंग और ह्यूमन हेल्थ. तो अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें व्हाट हाउ द एनवायरनमेंट इम्पैक्ट्स आवर हेल्थ, हम देखते हैं कि जो एनवायरनमेंट है इट हैज़ एन वी कैन डायरेक्ट एज वेल एज इनडायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट्स और डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन आवर हेल्थ. We know that people are exposed to risk factors in their homes, workplaces and communications through different we can say means. तो यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि इस फिगर के ज़रिए से हम जान सकते हैं कि when we humans we are exposed to different risk factors in our environments, whether in our homes, whether in our workplaces or in our communities. We know that there may be air pollution, including the indoor and outdoor pollution. There may be inadequate water, there may be sanitation problems, hygienic problems, there may be chemicals and biological agents present in the environment, there may be radiations, mostly ultraviolet and ionizing radiations present in the environment, there may be noise pollution or community noise, there may be occupational risks, or we can say the risks or the diseases which are associated with our occupations, as well as there may be risks in the agricultural practices, as for example including the use of pesticides or other we can say waste water reuse, as well as there may be risks in built environments, including the we can say including in housing, or we can say these road buildings etc., or there may be change in the environment climate. So these all factors in the environment, these all we can say these all components in the environment are different changes in the environment which are these which are changes in different we can say factors or different agents of our environment. These all have some impacts on our health, or these may impact or these may influence the human health. So we can say that environment or the factors present in the environment, they pose or they pose a risk, or we can say there are different risk factors in our environment which may pose different threats, or we can say which may impact our human health. So hope you have understood. Thank you.